Hey everyone, having trouble with weird colors in Opera GX? Text and images looking like negatives? You're not alone. Today, we'll fix that annoying inverted color issue in just a few clicks. The thing behind this problem is an Opera GX feature called Force Dark Pages. While it aims to give websites a dark mode makeover, sometimes it goes a little overboard. Don't worry, turning it off is easy. First, open Opera GX. In the top right corner, click the settings options next to the downloads icon. This opens the main menu. Now scroll down all the way to the bottom and find Go to Full Browser Settings. Click that and a new tab will open with all the settings. See all those options? We're looking for Force Dark Pages. It might be under the GX category at the top, but you can also use the search bar at the top of the settings page, and then you can type in Force Dark Pages and it should highlight the option for you. Head back to any website that was giving you inverted colors. Most commonly, inverted websites are the Wiki, Discord, and Reddit. Refresh the page and everything should look normal again. Text should be black on white, images should be vibrant, and your eyes can relax. If you ever want to try Force Dark mode again, just follow the same steps and turn it back on. But for now, enjoy your Opera GX without inverted colors. Now, that's all it takes to fix inverted colors on Opera GX. Hope this quick tutorial helped. If you have any questions or other Opera GX tips you'd like to see, leave a comment down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech troubleshooting tips. Thanks for watching.